Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to reset your DirecTV password. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the web browser on a device and go to directtv.com. Now tap Sign In at the top right and tap Watch Now. You will be taken to the login page. So tap Forgot Password to reset your password. On this page, you must find your user ID. So enter your user ID. And if you forget your user ID, tap Forgot User ID and follow the instructions. Then enter your last name and tap Continue. Once you confirm your user ID, you can create a new password for your account. So that's how you reset your DirecTV password. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.